Hello everybody, this is Rishav Bhattacharjee and you're watching the Happy Coding channel. So guys, in today's video, we would be writing the code to draw the following pattern which you are currently seeing on your computer screens or desktop screens. So let's get started. So guys, first what we have to do is import the turtle library, and then what we have to do is change the background color of the turtle window to black because it looks better that way, right? Then what we have to do is create a list which we have named colors here and enter a number of colors, different type of colors in this list. So I would start with red, then maybe orange a little bit, white, blue, then maybe a yellow, and last but not the least, a little bit of green. Okay, so this is the list that we have created, list of colors. Then what we have to do is run a for loop for I in range. Let me see, this for loop I would like it to run say 7 times. Okay, and what we have to do is inside this for loop we have to create another for loop which is color T for turtle, color T in colors. This nested for loop will run, actually this for loop will run through the colors list which we have created just now. So we have created 6 1 2 3 we created 6 colors, and this for loop will run through all those 6 colors, and it will do it 7 times because it is inside another for loop which will run 7 times. So let's see what we will do with it. Firstly, what we would be doing is the color of the turtle would be the color T. That means the current, which means the color which the for loop is running currently. So it will change throughout. Wherever it creates one circle, then another circle, it will change from first red, then orange, then white, and so on. And then what we have to create is the circle with we have to mention the radius here, which I would like to give 60. And then what we want is, after creating one circle, I want the turtle to move little bit, I would say 10 degrees to the left, so that it creates the pattern which we want. So dot left 10 degrees. Okay guys, so let me save it, and then I would run the module. So here, as you can see, after creating one module, after creating one circle, it moves from the starting point. When it changes its color, it moves 10 degrees to the left and then starts to create the next circle. That is what we did with here in the left, turtle.left. So here our pattern is complete. Here as you can see, it's a beautiful pattern. I don't know what its name is actually, to be honest, but it looks beautiful, isn't it? So that's it from this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe our channel and wait for the upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.